What's going on? What's going on? What's going on? It's your boy Antoine. Appreciate you guys here hanging out with me. Hey, we don't have too much time, so let me go ahead and spill a quick dime. All right, here we go. All right, so if you can see the setup right behind me, I'm going to go ahead and look down here at the screen for you. See the light that's right there. It's set up for parabolic. It's giving basically a umbrella type of feel. It's dropping the light down, and you have the subject is right in front. The subject is probably 4.5 feet away from the wall, so you have a little density inside of there. Then you have the camera pointed down. This is not normally how I would do this, but I was just wanting to show you guys something in the way of utilizing a overhead lighting source. That way you're trying to get this look that a lot of people get here real quick. So I'm going ahead and go to my second screen here so you can see the shot. This is the shot I did earlier, just so you can see. I'll do it again for you. All right. So nothing really has changed. This is a way the streamline of it is. You get that little dark pasture of light all the way around. That's what you're looking for. That's what we're all looking for with that. And I'll go ahead and show you something real quick. I'm gonna go ahead and get this guy down real quick. So you inside of Photoshop, I went ahead and cleaned it out and got everything out of the way. And so you still have that deep lighting posture that's right there. And that's what people like to have. So if you want to learn how to do that, and you want to say, man, what does that mean to me as a photographer if I'm working with people? I'm going to go ahead and show you something real quick, because it'll start making sense to you once you see the image and how it falls. So this is how the image will fall. If you see the image here, it'll give you an opportunity to see. You get that nice little bevel of light that falls off, and then your subject in itself is well lit. This was with a bigger modifier. I'll tell you, it was with a bigger modifier. It was with my Octabox. So it was very huge. Light blasted out pretty good, but you get that nice little separation with that density of light, and then she's in perfect focus in itself. There's a lot of cleanup work, as you can tell. We usually have subjects come in here. I have the floors and the walls pre-painted, so it's minimal work on that end. You can do this with paper as well, white paper as well, so that'll work for you if you want to do that as well. So, but that's it. That's pretty much what I wanted to kind of share with you guys and how to set up that shot. This is easy to set up this shot. Don't get so boggled down with all the tutorials. Oops, something small. I got a little accident, so don't worry about all that. My phone board rolled down. All right, put too much weight on it and got wheels on it. So you got a candid moment right there. So that's okay. It happens. All right. So when you're looking at that particular shot and you want that light to drop down on it, that's how easy you can go ahead and make that happen. So let's look at that again. So don't worry about the stuff that happened back. It's kind of crazy. But the light that's falling down onto the subject is at a 45-degree angle. You can see the shadows pushing towards the back and not the front, or not. It's not pushing so far out to the front of her head or the bottom of her head, I would say, and you really can't see anything else around it. So that's pretty much how you got to do it. It's really simple. One light source. Tilt it a little bit, as you can see. Sorry about the mess over there, but you can tilt it and make it happen. All right. Up until then, people, please keep shining and grinding. I'm Antoine Washington. This is Studio 5, a quick little tip photography. Talk to you again. Ciao.